Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, we are going to see few online free certification courses for Excel. Okay, so why should you learn Excel? That is very important question that you should understand, because Excel is nowadays a leading and important technology or important software, important thing which everyone should learn. On completing this Excel group, what will you get? Like, what are the job roles where you can enter if you learn, if you know Excel? So the very first thing is what you can become a business analyst. Because in Excel you can enter like financial analyst. Okay, so there are various things, various roles are there in order to learn Excel, and after completing the Excel you can become such thing. So here let us see, I'm going to show you Excel free certification course, free courses with certification. Okay, that is two Excel free courses with certification, and one which will give you complete tutorial, where by the end you will not get the certification but you will learn a lot of things. Okay, so the very first thing which I want to tell you is what Excel champs. If you just scroll down, you can see there are free Excel courses with certificate. So once if you click here, it will take you to the courses. So you have various courses. Okay, the first course is what Excel formula to get smarter. So this is for here you can see those who wanted to prepare for a job requires managing in Excel. Okay, so if you are preparing for a job, you can definitely go and enroll here. So this is for the basic understanding of the Excel. Here this is Excel tips to impress everyone. Okay, so this is Excel tips where you can, the basic tips they have explained. And this is learn VBA, Visual Basic. Okay, Visual Basic, where you can learn Visual Basic automation specifically for Excel. How to write the Visual Basic code for Excel, here you will learn that. And finally, this is Excel skill for job interview. So this is a skill for job interview, specifically if you are looking for the jobs for Excel related, like Excel related jobs, you can learn this. So how to enroll this is very simple. Just go and click here, enroll now, wherever you wanted to click. Once you click enroll now, it will take you to this. Just click here, enroll now. Okay, so here you can see how many hours you have to spend for this. There is 1 hour 12 minutes. And once if you scroll down, you can see that there are formulas, 50 Excel formulas you will be learning. Okay, so before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, Goms Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe now. And if you want to join as a member, you will get access to the exclusive perks, PDF, PPT, everything. That is if you join as a member. And thank you for the members who are joined here already. Okay, and here even if you are subscribing to that channel, to my channel, you can go to the playlist. Okay, so in this playlist, just scroll down to see Skill Up. Okay, Skill Up is the playlist where you will find all the free courses for almost all the technologies I'm trying to cover. I have already uploaded for many technologies. If you have any technology in your mind, please leave that in the comment so that I can help you to get free certifications and to learn free. So let us go to the next important thing, important course, which is Excel fundamental formula for finance. Okay, if you are into any finance domain, so please go and watch this. You can enroll here for free. This is provided to us by CFI, which is Corporate Finance Institute. So just scroll down to see more about the program. So here you can see you can just enroll for free. It's level 2 and it's approximately 3.5 hours to complete. And it is 100% online and self-paced. Okay, so you can learn it. So upon completing this, you will learn about in Excel carriers like investment banking, private equity, corporate development, equity, and everything. So scroll down to see Excel for best practices. You will be learning about all these things. Okay, learn everything you need to about Excel, master keyword shortcuts, follow industry lead practices, and everything for Excel fundamental. So here you can see what all the complete curriculum they have covered. Okay, you scroll down to see Excel settings, how to click on this Excel settings, basic financial analysis setup. Okay, advanced financial analysis setup, functions and formula for finance related, and a wrap up. Finally, the assessment will be there. Upon completing this assessment, you will be getting a certificate as well. So this is a very useful certificate which is provided to you by Corporate Finance Institute itself. So the third certificate which I wanted to discuss is what here. This is a free course, but by the end you will not get the certificate. Okay, as I told, this is 26 lessons, 12 plus hours of free Excel training videos. Okay, just scroll down. You don't want to even sign up. You just click here to start learning it. Okay, getting started with Excel, it will open the Excel lesson. Okay, so this video is meant for the Excel beginner. So you can see various Excel videos here so that it will be easy and useful for you to learn. Okay, so here you can understand about the various Excel VB editor. So there are a lot of important things which you should learn specifically in Excel, but it is good to learn from the basics towards the advanced. So to learn the basics, please you can go and use this Excel champs. Okay, and then here, if you are in finance, if you are into BBA or BCom or any other finance related domain, so this will be definitely useful for you because this is completely dealing about these transactions like commerce, finance related Excel, and this will be generic for everyone. So you can see like, various courses they have mentioned. Okay, like pivoting, data analysis, introduction to chart, pivot table, everything. Okay, so definitely you can learn a lot to just enter into any company. Okay, so fundamental Excel is very important that everyone should learn, irrespective of whether you are a computer science student or you have a different background. Excel is like an easy tool to do various analysis. Okay, so don't hesitate to learn this. If you have any queries, please leave your query in the comment box. I'll be there to help you, to guide you and everything. And also let me know if you have any specific technology in your mind to learn. You can just leave that technology name in the comment box so that I can find any free courses for that. Okay, and also help you to get the certifications on that. And why certification is important? Because the certifications will make you stand out of other others from others. Okay, because instead of saying I know Excel, you can showcase that you have learned the Excel from a reputed company or reputed organization, which will make you stand out. Okay, so don't forget to watch this completely, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Every Thursday I'll be uploading free courses with certificate which will be useful for you. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.